Mills Enterprises, Taiwan Tobacco and Liquor Corporation, Steinberg's, Stanley Consultants, Schott NYC, Royal LePage, Quality Markets, Prada, or Prada 97 of 97 the best bar soap brands, 9 of 81 the best men's shoe designers, 10 of 77 the best men's dress shoe brands. Pierce Manufacturing, National Safety Council, Claas Inc., Heilig-Meyers, Clorox, Claas, Aston Martin, Andersen, Aermacchi, Accenture.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.